He's miles from the nearest sign of civilization. No phone, no food, no backup. Just a backpack, a spear, and an island that doesn't even appear on most maps. For the next 48 hours, he'll have to survive completely alone. No help, no plan B. Just pure instinct and a bit of luck. The boat drifts away, leaving him in silence. He grips his bag tight and dives into the surf. The current is strong. Salt burns his eyes. His backpack feels like a weight dragging him under. But after a brutal swim, he makes it. He collapses onto the sand, gasping for air. The boat is gone. He's officially stranded. All around him, nothing but ocean and jungle. No trails, no footprints, just the endless sound of waves. He checks his backpack. One bottle of water, a t-shirt, a knife, a camping lamp, a piece of flint, and a hand spear. That's it. Everything he'll need to stay alive for 2 days. He starts exploring the shoreline, hoping the sea has left behind something useful. And it has. Driftwood, tangled rope, old coconuts, the leftovers of 1,000 storms. Then the sky darkens. Thunder, wind, rain. Within minutes, the island is swallowed by a tropical storm. He yells into the wind, laughing, half crazy, half thrilled. "Welcome to paradise!" he shouts. When the storm finally clears, the island steams under the heat. The sand burns underfoot. He finds coconuts, cracks one open with his knife, and drinks. It's warm, but it's life. He chooses a spot near the tree line, high enough to stay dry when the tide rolls in. Using driftwood, branches, and that old rope, he builds a simple lean-to. Layer by layer, he covers the frame with broad green leaves. It's rough, uneven, but when he steps inside, it feels like home. As the sun drops behind the ocean, he gathers brush and dry leaves. He strikes flint to steel, once, twice, a spark, then fire. The small flame grows, reflecting in his eyes. He sits beside it, roasting chunks of coconut, the only food he has. Out there in the dark, the jungle hums with life. But near the fire, there's comfort, a sense of safety he hasn't felt all day. Later, he explores the beach. Crabs scuttle sideways across the rocks. Tiny fish shimmer in the shallows. Then, movement. A black and white shape gliding across the sand. A sea snake, venomous, deadly. He freezes. One wrong move out here, and it's over. He watches in silence as the snake slips past and disappears into the surf. Back at camp, he feeds more wood into the fire. Sparks drift up toward a sky full of stars. The camera lingers on his face, tired, calm, and at peace. Tomorrow, he'll wake up to his birthday. Dawn breaks soft and pink across the horizon. The fire's out. The air smells like salt and smoke. He wades into the water, letting the waves crash over him. It's been 1 day, no food, little sleep, but he's still standing. Somewhere on the south end of the island, his friends have left him a surprise, a birthday gift. He starts walking. Half a mile later, he finds it. Footprints, an X drawn in the sand. He digs, and there it is, a sealed case. Inside, a brand new spear gun. He laughs, "You've got to be kidding me." Armed and ready, he heads into the shallows. The water is crystal clear. He steadies his breath and waits. A flash of silver. He dives, aims, fires. The spear shoots forward and hits its mark. For the first time in nearly 30 hours, he's got food. He cleans the catch with his knife, roasts it over the flames, and waits. The smell is smoky, rich, mouth-watering. When he takes the first bite, his eyes close. After all that hunger, all that work, it's the best meal of his life. 2 days ago, he arrived here exhausted, scared, and completely alone. Now, he's calm, grounded, alive. He's faced storms, hunger, and the sharp edge of nature's power, and he's walked away stronger. Because when everything else is stripped away, survival comes down to 3 things: build, adapt, and endure. For now, the island has let him go.